Hello there. We've got a simple mixed operations problem for you today. It is 5 plus 2 times 3 equals what? All right, so I know a lot of people will look at this and they will say, well, gee, there's no equal sign. Where is the equal sign in this? Right? There's no equal sign. It doesn't matter really. It's an expression. 5 plus 2 times 3 is an expression. It's not an equation. But expressions can still be simplified. So that's fine. There's nothing really wrong with that. All right, that's fine. Just remember the order of operations. The order of operations will tell us that multiplication is still solved before the addition. Multiplication has precedence. Multiplication is nothing more than repeated addition. So 2 times 3 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is the correct answer, not 21. A lot of people are adding and then multiplying and getting 7, which is incorrect. Just remember, multiplication has precedence over addition. Parentheses are not needed. Never ever do you blindly solve left to right just because there are no parentheses. A lot of people have forgotten this. I see a lot of people say, well, gee, there's no parentheses, so you just solve left to right. That's never been true. There's no rule like that. Multiplication already has precedence. Multiplication is just repeated addition. All right. I'll say a lot of people make mistakes on calculators too. Here's Windows 11 PC calculator, your calculator app on your computer. If you're just using the standard mode, um, what you're going to really end up with is 7 times 3. You're going to end up with this 7 times 3, I guarantee it. If you type in 5 plus 2 times 3, what happens is this is working in what's called immediate execution mode. As soon as you type 5 plus 2, it adds those together and gets 7. And then when you type times 3, what you're getting is 7 times 3 or 21. This is not the right answer. That is not when you have a calculator like this is not the way to enter it. If you switch that same PC calculator to scientific mode, which you can do, you're going to get the correct answer of 11. And I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on this, but you need to understand your calculator. Cheap dollar store calculators also work in immediate execution mode, and there's just two different types of entries for or input methods for calculators. Make sure you understand that before you try to reinforce an incorrect answer with a calculator. All right. Another thing to keep in mind, I've said it before, multiplication is repeated addition. 2 times 3 is literally the same thing as adding 2 3 times. So that's why multiplication has to be solved first, because 2 times 3 is the same as adding 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So there you have it. That's your answer. Hopefully that's been helpful. If it has been, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.